बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
Cook it, share it, enjoy. Welcome to your own Punjabi channel, bite-sized food videos for you and your kids to enjoy. I have created this channel to create memories of my Ammi Ji ki easy to prepare mazedar home recipes. On this channel, you'll find a variety of quick and easy family food recipes from different cuisines, such as Punjabi dishes, continental recipes, Korean Chinese cuisine, English meals including last-minute recipes, holiday recipes, food hacks, and many more. We believe that home cooking should always be fun, interesting, and easy to do. Stay tuned to watch short and easy to follow delicious food videos, tips and techniques for quicker, easier and better cooking. This is all for your smile, so keep smiling. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, comment and enable all notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks a lot for your love and support.